Wait, but she about to make me tear up, bro. That whole part, just like looking at her sing that. Oh my god.
It's not the same without you.
Oh, the bias is biasing again. Oh yeah, she's the bias. She's 100% the bias. Oh my god.
La 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 la. I see the new evil 적대적인 고난과 슬픔은 널 덮아 빙진화시켜. That's my novice, it's my novice.
I was about to check out some more Meow right now. We're gonna go right into the video of Toxic, where they performed it live on Dingo Music. It's Dingo Music, right? Yeah, Dingo Music Live or Dingo Live. Y'all already know from what I have reacted to from Meow, especially since they released this, how much I love this song, how addicted I am to this song. It has not changed. I love this song. I play it so much. I can't wait to check this out and listen to them on a Dingo Live. I haven't actually reacted to a Dingo Live in a while, but from my experience with them, people sing their asses off, and obviously I've seen them sing this song. I saw them do it with the N-pop stage, and I get to watch it here in Dingo Live format and everything, and it's just, I just know it's gonna be good, but I can't wait to get in there and just get like slayed and consumed and drowned in their beautiful voices on this beautiful song. So I'm gonna stop yapping. Let's go right into Meow Toxic Dingo Live. All right, Meow Dingo Live. They do that so much better than me. Oh, they look so pretty, by the way. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh wow. Oh, someone just waiting, bro. Listen, got one killed that part. No, I didn't kill her part. But I was just sitting there waiting for it. Listen, Suin has been biasing. She's been biasing. And it feels like right now, Suin is the bias. She's been calling to me. I don't like to just go into like debut first time on a group and be like, that looks like my bias. I let it happen, especially when I'm starting to like get more and more into the group. And they reeled me in with the song. She reeled me in with all her parts in said song. And some things I've just like seen of hers away, like just like little clips, like I guess like TikToks, little videos that they've dropped. She's just reeling me in. She's reeling me in. That one is so good. My God. Oh my God. Dude, her eyes are also, while she's singing that, bro, her eyes are, oh my goodness. Oof. Oh, so good, Bella. Oh, wow, Nadi. Oof. Her voice is so pretty, dude. Anna's voice is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I am not yawning over this shit right now. Good. I'm also not cutting it out, but you know, we're good.
The way you got me wrapped around your finger, I just wanna make the story stop.
Oh.
Then again, when you hold me, I know that you're everything I want. So
I'm telling you, I love how she delivers that. It's like a little melodic rapping. Oh!
So, you don't like how I did voice, baby. No one should leave you, but I'm not a job, baby. Lost in it, all in it. I should've known, but I never read the signs. Driving with no lights, baby, up in my
I love how into it they get when they're singing it.
Guess we'll never know when it's time to go. Heaven's not the same without you.
Wait, what? You about to make me tear up, bro. That whole part, just like looking at her sing that. Oh my god.
Heaven's not the same without you.
Oh, the bias is biasing again. Oh yeah, she's the bias. She's 100% the bias. Oh my god. Listen, man. This song is so good. Like, I'm out of frame. I'm just sitting. This song is amazing. I can't wait to drop my end of the year list. I can't wait. I can't fucking wait. I love this song so much. Look at the, like, fierceness in her eyes, bro. I just, like, look at her. Like, it's like you look at them when they're singing these songs. It's almost like you feel they mean every word. Like, they get so into it when they're performing this song, dude. To be fair, they get into it when they're performing anything. Like, I don't know if y'all saw. I saw their dance practice recently, and they were killing that shit too. Oh my god, the bias is biasing. Wow. Oh, she is so good. All the times you got my heart in a danger. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh, I like the way they did it now. Oh! What a song. Thank God I paused that because my speakers are too loud for their outro, clearly. I know you heard that. I am in love and obsessed with this song and the way they sing it, and getting to hear them in the environment that is a Dingo live. It's so good, especially this last part, because it just gets like so like emotional. It's like it's really like tugging at your heartstrings. Every little part they do, I say little, that's not to make it seem any smaller than it is, because it's not. It's just amazing. Okay, let's go from here. Wait for me, Allah.
I'll never know when it's time to go.
Oh,
Heaven's not the same without you.
So toxic,
oh my God! Listen to her, bro. She's so good. Yes, got one. This song deserves like 2020 music show wins, bro. Dead ass. Dead ass. If I was voting, I'd vote for this shit every fucking week. Like, if I had, like, the final say, every week this song would get it until it's no longer eligible to get one. Oh my god, I love this song so much. And they are singing it amazingly. And it's so, like, it feels as captivating when they sing it here in this Dingo Live as it did in the MV, you know? And it's so good of them to be able to, like, have that same effect here, you know? And the way they, like, switched up the way they, like, sang the very last parts of the song. Oh. Yo, Ella's so good too. Yo, they're all so damn good. Lord have mercy, their voices. Yes, sweet. So many different parts to them singing in this end that they combine different members as they sing the end of this song. Like, if you see, like, who picks up the mic when, where, it's just done so beautifully. I love this song, and I wish it had a physical version. I've seen some photo cards. I don't know where they're from. They're probably from events that you can only get to in South Korea. But I wish this had a physical version. Like, do a repackage. Do a repackage. Put this in there. Give us like 2-3 new songs. Nah, we need more. I'm okay. I don't know. I just want an album with a song in it. I don't know why necessarily, because I buy my albums and I don't actually play the discs, so it doesn't really matter. But it's just something special about this being in an era. I don't know. This deserved a physical copy. I love when she sings like that. Look how she comes in halfway through. And then Gawan comes in. Oh, it's so good. They are so good. The moment I saw that this was a thing this morning, I was like, I will be there no matter what. I will be there no matter what. Shout out, man, bro. This is a beautiful song. It was a beautiful comeback. And I hope more eyes are put on them because of this comeback. Because this comeback deserves all the attention. It's very bold to come back with a song like this. A little bit more of a somber tone of a song. And have that be like the title track. Then having Body be like the track that follows. I still don't know, like, doesn't really matter, but whether it's Body's considered a B-side or like a second title track, like I said, to me it doesn't really matter. But at 100% it's like Toxic is the main title track, and I think it's very bold to go with that after their debut, and they killed it. So hopefully a lot more people pay attention to them, because their performance at Mama was dope, and the performances of this song and other songs of theirs have been dope since as well. So shout out them. Can't wait to keep paying attention. Like I've said in videos lately, I am in the process of moving, so I will be missing a lot. Okay, I will be missing a lot, but hopefully not too much. Okay, hopefully not too much. If I'm late to stuff or I don't get to things, listen, I already told you I'm not gonna get to everything now. But I will get to things here and there between eras, and just know that right now it's a little bit shaky because I am in the process of moving. But mad love to them.
기가 막힌 chemistry 어느새 너